Let's go to page 176. So it's 31. So all this you want to multiply. Okay, so you have x squared minus x plus 2 times x squared plus x minus 1. Okay, so when you multiply with a lot of terms, you have to distribute. So use the first term, so use your fingers. Okay, so this time side will give me x to the 4, and then go over, so it would be plus x squared. Wait, something's not right. X plus x, so it would be x to the 3. So again, x to the 4, x to the 3, minus x to the 2. Okay, then after you're done with the first one, you go to the next one. So this would be minus x to the 3 minus x squared plus x. Okay, notice the order had to go down, right? 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. And the next one, this will be plus 2x squared plus 2x minus 2. Okay, and after that, let's go ahead and combine the like terms. So this one is x to the 4. So you try to use the different shapes. Okay, so use a circle, use a rectangle. So do the 4 power and do the 3 power. So this cancel out. Okay, then let's go and do the square. So use the parallelogram. So minus 1 plus 2, again it got cancel out. Okay, the next one, use a triangle, so it would be plus 3x. And the leftover would be, the number would be just minus 2. Okay, so you can just distribute out, and then just combine the like terms after that. Okay, number 33, you have a plus 2b times a cubed minus 2a squared b minus b to the 3. So again, you use your fingers to help you to visualize. So this one will give me a to the 4. Next one, minus 2a3b, right? A times a squared give you a3, right? And next one, minus ab to the 3. So I'm done with the first one, so I go start all over using the second one. So this would be plus 2a3b minus 4, right? 2 times 2 is 4. A squared b squared, okay, minus 2b to the 4. Okay, so again, by doing that, it kind of help you to cut down a lot of mistakes. Okay, then after that, let's go ahead and combine the like terms. So let's do the, again, just focus on the a. So do the a to the 4, that take aside. Now let's go and do the a to the 3. Okay, so that's a to the 3 here, a3b, a3b. Okay, any more a3, so that's it. So this one, a3, they cancel out. Okay, then let's go to the a squared. So you got a squared, then there's no more a squared. Okay, so it'd be minus 4a squared b squared. Now let's go and do the a. So you go 4 power, 3 power, 2 power, then do the a1 power. So this is minus ab to the 3. Okay, and the leftover no a. So you can notice a to the 4, a to the 3, a to the 2, a to the 1, and a to the 0 means no a. No. So you can do things in order. It cut down a lot of mistakes. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay, you got p to the n minus 1 squared. Okay, so you should know how to do the short way instead of writing it out. So I'm going to do both methods. So when you have square, you have to square these. Okay, so square and exponent of exponent you multiply, so it would be p to the 2n. Okay, so you square that, you get that. You square this, you get plus. Square this one, you get 1. Then the middle term, you multiply this together. The sign is negative. Number 2 times 1 is 2. Alphabet is p to the n. Okay, so you can just square that, square that, square that, and the middle term multiply everything together. Okay, so this is from a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. Now, if you don't know the shortcut, then what you do is write it out twice. But you should know how to do the short way. Okay, this is the spatial product. You got to know that. But if you don't, you just multiply distribution. Okay, so this times that will give you p to the 2n. This one, okay, so it'd be minus p to the n, and then this one minus p to the n. That's where the minus 2 came from. See, you're always going to get two. You're always going to get two of these. Okay, see that? So that's where 2 came from, and this one is plus 1. So you're going to get p to the 2n minus 2p to the n plus 1. So you get same answer. Okay. So you should know how to do the spatial product. You square this, square that, multiply all this together to get middle. Because you're going to get 2 of these, right? You're going to get 2 of that. Okay, let's do the space. Okay, let's go to 37. You got r to the r to the n minus s to the n times r to the n plus 2s to the n. Okay, so this one is no shortcut, so you just have to multiply out. So multiply, when you multiply, you add the exponents, will be r to the 2n, by n plus n give you 2n. Next one, I can just distribute, so it'll be plus 2r to the n, s to the n. So after you're done with the first one, you do the next term. So minus r to the n, s to the n, and next one minus 2. So you always, when you multiply, you always do the sign, the number, then the alphabet, right? Sign, number, alphabet. Okay, so this times that you just add the exponent. Okay, and then after that you have to combine the like terms. Okay, so these two are like terms. So plus 2 minus 1 give you plus 1. So it'll be r to the 2n plus r n s n minus 2s to the 2n. Okay, so you combine these two terms, okay, because they are like terms. The like terms is when you have exact identical variables. Okay. So you see that variable are identical, those are like terms. Okay, you got a minus b to the 3 power. Now there's a shortcut, that's a quick way to multiply these. Okay, it's called by using the Pascal triangle, or using the binomial expansion, which you're going to learn later. But since you haven't learned it yet, we're just going to do it the long way. Okay, so you're just going to write it out 3 times. Okay, and you're just going to distribute, multiply out. But actually, you can make a square. From this, you can kind of use a shortcut, okay, the square one. But let's go and just do it the long way. Okay, so let's go and multiply these two first. So this would be a squared minus ab, okay, minus ab plus b squared. So when you multiply this, you have to put in the parentheses. Okay, and let's simplify this, combine this first. So you got a squared minus 2ab plus b squared times a minus b. Okay, then after that, let's go and distribute. So this would be a to the 3 minus a squared b. So I'm done with this one, so go to the next one. So minus 2a squared b plus 2ab squared. Okay, and I'm done with this one, so now go to the next one. So it'll be plus ab squared minus b cubed. Okay, next I have to combine the like terms. So this one, you just go straight down. This one, you got a squared b minus 2a squared b, so it'll be minus 3a squared b. Okay, and then next one, you got the ab squared and the ab squared, so it's be plus 3ab squared. And the last one is minus b cubed. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to 41. Okay, you got a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So this is came from the cube, the factor of the cubes. Okay, but again, you haven't learned it yet, so let's just go and distribute, multiply. So it should be a to the 3 minus a squared b plus ab squared. Okay, so I'm done with this one, so go to the next one. Again, use your finger, it speed things up, it helps you to visualize, it cut down a lot of mistakes. So this will be plus a squared b minus ab squared plus b cubed. Okay, so this one just drop straight down. This is the cube. Okay, so this one, so minus a squared b plus a squared b cancel out. Okay, so they cancel out, that's nice. Okay, and ab squared minus ab squared cancel out. So only thing left is this one here, so plus b cubed. Okay, and that's it. So later on, you're going to learn how to do the factoring. So you have to be able to go from here to here. So you will learn that later. Okay, let's go to 43. Okay, you got a minus b times a cubed plus a squared b plus ab squared plus b cubed. Okay, so again, that's going to distribute. So this would be a to the 4 plus a to the 3b, okay, plus a squared b squared plus ab cubed. Okay, so I'm done with the first term, so go to the second term, minus a cubed b minus a squared b squared minus, I can do the sign and go to alphabet, right? So sign is negative, alphabet would be AB3. This one would be minus b to the 4. Okay, so let's combine the like terms. So this one, there's no 4 power, so this one just drops straight down. Okay, so let's do the A3 power. So here's the A3 power, and here's the A3 power, and that's it. So this cancel out, so that's nice. So now let's go to the A squared. So you can be organized, don't go all over the place. Okay, so that's to cut down careless mistakes. So go to a to the 4 power, a to the 3 power. Now let's go and do the a to the 2 power. Okay, you can use different shapes. So this cancel out, and that's it. Okay, now let's go and do the a to the 1 power. I'm going to use trapezoid. So again, this got cancel out. So everything got canceled except for the first one and last one. So it'd be minus b to the 4. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you got x plus y, x minus y. You got x squared plus y squared. Okay, this is actually fairly easy because these are conjugates. So conjugate, it becomes difference of square. So this becomes x squared minus y squared. So again, you need to know this from your Algebra 1. Okay, so conjugate, so you just multiply, this will give you x squared minus y squared. The O and the I cancel out. Okay. So now you got conjugate again. Again, when you have conjugate, you just multiply the corresponding part. So this will give you x to the 4, minus times plus is minus, y squared times y squared, y to the 4. Okay. Again, when you're using the Fourier method, the O and the I get cancel out. But if you don't believe that, you can use your Fourier method. You can see that the O and the I get cancelled out. Okay, so again, you got to know your spatial product. Okay, so you got x squared plus 2x plus 2. You got x squared minus 2x plus 2. So you actually can use conjugate, but in this case, you don't give you advantage. So let's just go and distribute it out. Okay, so this will give me x to the 4 minus 2x to the 3 plus 2x to the 2. So I'm done with the first term, so go to the second term, start it all over. So plus 2x to the 3 minus 4x squared plus 4x. So go to the last term, so plus 2x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay, so let's go and combine the like terms. So this one you drop straight down. Okay, then let's look for the cube term. So cube, here is the cube term. Okay, so this cancels out, that's kind of nice. Now let's go and do the square term. I can go to 4 power, 3 power, then let's go and do the 2 power. Okay, so you got plus 2 minus 4 plus 2. Again, they got cancel out. Okay, then let's go and do the 1 power. So again, they got cancel out. So only left is the last term. Okay.